In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for Discover It Secured Credit Card step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to navigate the official site, start your registration, and move through the key screens with confidence. Begin by opening your web browser and searching for Discover. Look for the official Discover website. You'll know you're in the right place if the address bar shows the securediscover.com domain and a padlock icon. Click through to the home page for Discover's personal banking, credit cards, and loans. On the homepage, find the Login button, usually at the top right. Click it. A panel or page will open with options for existing customers. Since we're setting things up for the secured card, choose Register Account. This creates your online profile, which you'll use to manage your card and track your progress. On the registration page, locate the product section and choose credit cards so the site routes you to the correct form. Then click Register Now to begin. Take a moment to read any notes on the page so you understand what information you'll need and how it will be used. When prompted, enter your card number exactly as it appears, with no spaces or dashes unless the form adds them for you. Accuracy matters here, so type carefully. Next, enter the last 4 digits of your social security number or your individual taxpayer identification number. This step helps verify your identity and protect your account. For your security, do this on a private device and a trusted network. Click Continue to move forward. Give the page a moment to process. Don't refresh or hit back while it's working, as that can interrupt the session. You'll be taken to step 2 on the site, where you'll complete the remaining setup. This typically includes confirming personal details and creating your login credentials so you can access your account anytime. Work through each field and make sure to input all the required details. Match your information to your official documents, use a strong, unique password if you're asked to create one, and review any terms presented on the screen. Before you submit, double-check everything for accuracy. Small typos can cause delays. Once you've completed the form, follow the on-screen prompts to finish. If the site offers to save your progress or send confirmations, keep those for your records. When you're done, sign out if you're on a shared device. That's it. You've navigated the Discover site, started registration for the secured card experience, and moved through the key verification steps smoothly.